Hi guys, Bronte here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a ton of KonMari inspired decluttering and cleaning in my bedroom and in my bathroom. This video is going to be jam-packed with cleaning and decluttering motivation because my closet is a hot mess. We are going to tackle that today. I hope that you enjoy this video and get tons of cleaning motivation from it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to stick around and subscribe. Now let's get to cleaning and decluttering.
Like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely.
I was not joking when I said that my closet was a hot mess. It is a hot mess. It is a complete disaster. So today, this is the main task on the to-do list. We are going to tackle this. We are going to declutter it, organize it, and get it all cleaned up. I'm going to start today by just putting stuff into piles, like a trash pile, a home decor pile, because there's random home decor on the floor of my closet, a shoe pile, stuff that I know I'm going to donate, stuff that I know I'm going to keep, and stuff that's dirty that needs to be washed. I honestly had no clue where to start with all of this stuff because there was just the most random piles all over the place. So we're gonna start by separating stuff as best as we can, and then we are gonna move on from there. I just wanted to take a moment and introduce myself for those of you who may be new here. My name is Bronte. I am a mom of two. I have tons of cleaning motivation on my channel every single week. We live in Las Vegas, and I would love nothing more than for you to stick around and subscribe. So hit that red subscribe button. Make sure your bell notification is turned on because I upload every Wednesday and every Saturday morning, and I would love for you to stick around. So we're just gonna go through this. We're gonna declutter it, we're gonna clean it up, we're gonna organize stuff, and we are gonna purge a ton of stuff, like this broken shoe rack. I'm gonna take all of the shoes off. We're gonna get rid of the shoe rack. We are gonna get rid of a bunch of shoes that I never wear and that are probably years and years old because that's just the way I roll. I don't like to get rid of stuff. I'm one of those people who likes to hold on to stuff for no reason at all. So we are gonna purge. This is all the stuff that was taken out of the closet, and now we're gonna go through the stuff that is left in the closet. I found old baby clothes, old shoes, pretty much anything that you can think of was on the floor in this closet.
You know I miss you the most.
My main goal for today was to get rid of a bunch of stuff that I know I never wear. I'm probably never gonna wear it again, and I've just been one of those people who's held on to it and made up these random scenarios in my head like, oh, I'll wear it for this sort of event that we will probably never even go to. So I'm just gonna start getting rid of all that stuff. If it doesn't spark joy in my life, if I'm not using it, I'm getting rid of it. So you will see me getting rid of a ton of clothes that are hanging up, and I'm also going to get rid of a bunch of hangers that are not even being used because we have a bunch of those. I used to be a clothing hoarder, and now I'm slowly working my way to only keeping the stuff that I actually wear.
But you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch.
I decided to organize my tops, which are kept on this rack, by sleeve length and then by color. So I'm gonna have like long sleeve stuff, color coded, short sleeve stuff, color coded, and then tank tops and stuff like that, color coded as well. And then the rack to my right with all the long sleeve jackets and stuff like that is mainly just jackets. I'm also going to do the same thing with that and have those all organized by color, so that if I'm in the mood to wear something black, I can find something black. If I'm in the mood to wear a sleeveless tank top, I can find that much easier rather than having everything just color coded like I used to have it. I'm gonna do it by sleeve length. So if I need a short sleeve for summer, I can find a short sleeve easy versus having to dig through all of the clothes just because they were organized by color.
I got you.
Whenever I do a decluttering project, whether it's the closet, the laundry room, my kids' closet, under the sink, anything that involves decluttering, I always make the hugest mess while doing it. Is anybody else like that, or are you some magical unicorn organized person who can organize and purge at the same time? I am clearly not that person, as you can see by the mountain in my room. This is just madness. It seriously took me hours to do this, so I hope that you guys are getting some serious motivation from this, and I hope that you are enjoying it. If you are, please give it a huge thumbs up if you haven't already done so, and while you're over there, hit that subscribe button too and stick around. So I'm just gonna go through and find anything that is trash that I hadn't gone through earlier, and now I'm really going to go through the clothes that I had purged that were hanging up in my closet and find stuff that needs to be thrown away, whether it has holes or not, or stuff that can be donated so I can take it to Goodwill and somebody else can enjoy it for themselves.
In those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above my ordinary life.
Most of the stuff that I'm going to be donating, I just literally never ever wear, such as these boots that are knee-high boots with actual heels on them. Your girl cannot walk in heels anymore. I don't know what happened. It's like I birthed children and all of a sudden I look like a baby cow learning how to walk when I try to walk in heels. So we are going to get rid of stuff that is super hard to walk in, and I'm also going to get rid of a bunch of dresses and tops that I just never wear, and maternity clothes because I don't think we're ever going to use those again. I'm also going to be getting rid of bags and purses that I never use anymore because I just use a backpack now because mom life. And I'm using the Shark Rocket stick vacuum to vacuum up my closet. I'm also going to be using this to vacuum my bedroom, as well as vacuuming underneath my sink when we get around to decluttering that, because that is a hot mess as well. Here's a little before shot of the closet in case we forgot how bad it actually was before we got started, you guys. It was a hot mess. And now here is the after. I can actually walk into my closet. This is a miracle. Oh my gosh. I can actually go and get my clothes now, because before I was not doing that, just because there was so much stuff on the floor and I just didn't even want to deal with it. It was so embarrassing. Now I'm gonna move on to straightening up my bedroom, finishing up what I started, and just getting everything back in order in my room before we move on to decluttering underneath the sink. My daughter, who is 2 years old, has been getting into everything underneath my sink. And even though my husband just organized it not too long ago, it is totally a hot mess again. So we are going to organize it, we're going to clean it, and we are going to declutter it, because I'm sure there is a ton of stuff under there that needs to be thrown away, because I have a tendency just to throw stuff under the sink, because out of sight, out of mind, right? So we're going to get to that after I vacuum out the bedroom.
No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we have. Just go, go, go to the deepest day.
Now let's move on to taking care of underneath the sink, and then we are also going to clean up around the sink, clean up the vanity, clean up the mirrors, and do all of that stuff. There is just so much random stuff underneath here. We have hair care products, we have cotton rounds, we have just all the things underneath here. All of my husband's stuff is underneath here, like his beard products, his deodorant, his shaving cream. We have our extra soap, we have razors, we just got it all under here. So I'm gonna go and take everything out, and then I am going to take care of this disgusting mess. There's hair, there's dirt, there's oils, there's soap, there's lotion, there's everything on here. So we are going to vacuum up all the dust in the hair, and then we are going to clean it all up and wipe everything out. And today I'm going to be using the Method Pink Grapefruit Spray to clean the surface before putting everything back into the cabinet. This Method all-purpose grapefruit smells so good, and it works really well as a surface cleaner.
Let me be the one that makes you feel, serving you and only me, serving you and only one is for real.
And now we are just going to put things away a little bit more organized than they were before, so that I can actually put my makeup bag underneath the sink again, put my hair tools underneath the sink again, without just throwing them in there. And we can see what products we have in here, what products we may need, and we are actually going to have stuff that we use under here versus having boxes of trash and stuff like that.
I don't know what to find, I don't know what to look for. Can you give a clue? You and your beat up guitar always seem to move me like a superstar. What's the story about you? What's the story behind that sad tattoo you're trying to hide? I think I've heard it before.
I'm going to use the Method all-purpose cleaner that I used underneath the sink to wipe down the top of the sink and just get everything wiped down, give it a quick little surface clean because there was hair tools and makeup and stuff sitting up on the counter. So we're just gonna wipe it down, get it a little clean over here, get the bathroom smelling nice and fresh with this pink grapefruit Method spray. And I'm also going to wipe down the face of the cabinets too because my daughter had gotten into some lotion, so there was lotion all over the place. And here is the after. The bathroom looks so much better because there's not stuff sitting on the counter. And underneath the sink looks so much better because it is not a jumbled mess. I can actually access my makeup bag without knocking a million things over. I can find everything that I need under the sink, and so can my husband, which he is probably going to be very excited about. I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation from this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Go and declutter your house. There's no time like right now where we're all stuck at home. I hope you guys are doing well, and do not forget to subscribe before going. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will catch you in the next video. If you need more cleaning motivation, there's videos up here on the screen that you can click on. Thank you guys.
Nice, but now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see.